Hey guys, Modelling Weekly here. Today I'll be constructing the 1/48 scale Airfix P40 Warhawk. I'm pretty excited for this kit, so let's begin. All parts, excluding the seatbelts, were fixed with Tamiya extra thin cement. The cockpit was painted with Baeco Model Air 771.010 Cockpit Green. Metal panels on the floor were painted with jet exhaust with lack of a better colour. All the details were painted with simple black. The headrest was then painted leather brown, though on reflection I should have gone with a lighter tone. I made my own seatbelts using doubled up masking tape and copper wire. Leave a comment down below if you guys want a tutorial, though there are some pretty good existing ones you can find on YouTube. I'll leave a good one in the description below. Cockpit decals were applied using microset and microsole. I added some chipping with silver paint, and after this the cockpit was sealed in with a gloss varnish. A small amount of Tamiya pin wash was added to bring out some of the other details. The inside of the air intake was painted Russian blue. I marked out the locations for rivets with a pen and then used the trumpeter rivet maker to add them. Pen marks were then removed with isopropyl alcohol. Wheel wells were painted with Biocoil Model Air 71.326. The cockpit glass was painted with Model Air 71.016 USAF olive drab. This was the same colour that will soon be used to paint the upper half of the model. And here is the model so far. On reflection of the kit, the parts fitted incredibly well and I was very impressed with the detail in the cockpit. The only flaw that I found were a couple of parts for the fronts of the wings, but otherwise it was great. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!